Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure you have the 25-character product key or a digital license registered to your Microsoft account. This saves time later. Once signed in as an administrator, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation. You're not setting anything optional yet, you're starting the actual activation flow now. If prompted, choose Change Product Key, type carefully, including hyphens. Make sure your internet connection is active, because online verification is the usual path. You now enter the product key and verify. After selecting Change Product Key, type the 25-character code exactly, then click Next to trigger online verification. This checks Microsoft servers and ties the license to your hardware or account. If the system says activation failed, use the troubleshoot link. This can resolve common digital license conflicts. Make sure your Microsoft account credentials are available, since a digital license is often associated with that account. Signing in, you finish by confirming activation indicates Windows is activated. That message means the license is bound correctly. If activation still fails, run the activation troubleshooter, follow its prompts, and if necessary, choose the phone activation option. This gives an automated code path you can read to the agent. Make sure to document the product key and the Microsoft account used for the digital license so future reinstalls go smoothly. One tip: if hardware changed recently, use the troubleshooter first to reassign the license.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.